And these examples are a picture of weather graphs. And this first example is as a month of May weather graph is a listing of types of weather: sunny, cloudy, the temperature, hot, warm, cool, or freezing, the type of precipitation, whether it's rainy or snowy, windy, or foggy. In the second picture, we have another graphical organizer. Um, it says, for example, can say Johnny watches the weather, and the days of the week there are seven, and there are options that students can choose are whether it's something sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, or sunny. A student can draw the type of weather or conditions in each of these days.